Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to change the rear brake pads on your Toyota Sienna. Okay guys, for this job you're going to want a torque wrench, a breaker bar, a caliper tool or a C-clamp. This works really well. A ratchet, a 14 and 21 millimeter socket, brake caliper lube, brake clean, and of course your brake pads. These particular brake pads are the Raybestos Element 3 brake pads, and it's the EHT1391H, and I'll leave the link in the description for those. Okay, the first step is to jack up your car and then remove the wheel. This is done by using a 21 millimeter socket. Okay, the next thing you're going to do on the back side of the caliper bracket, you're going to loosen the two 14 millimeter bolts. The top one you don't have much clearance, so you're probably going to have to use a wrench. You can simply spin this out of the way. Then you're going to want to remove the two brake pads. This one's real bad, it was starting to hit. Then you're going to want to pull out the slide pins. Clean them off real well. Do them one at a time so they don't get mixed up. I'm going to use some disc caliper lube. Apply that liberally. And reinstall it. And then do the bottom one. Next you're going to take your brake caliper tool or a C-clamp, place it into the caliper, and push the piston back. This tool comes in really handy. If you do brakes more than a couple times a year, I highly recommend it. I'll put the link in the description below. Now if it doesn't go all the way back in, you can back it off and use one of the old pads to push it in. My brake pad set came with a set of hardware. So we're going to swap that out next. Best thing to do is just match it up as you go. Okay, once you have the hardware reinstalled, there's 4 pieces of hardware, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you're going to take your new brake pad, slide in like that. Same thing on the back. I apply a small amount of grease right here. You take your caliper, slide it back on, reinstall the 2 bolts. And you're going to torque these to 25 foot-pounds. The top one I can't reach with the torque wrench, so I'll do it by hand. Then you're going to reinstall the wheel. You're going to want to tighten these up in a star pattern, and then finally torque them down. Okay guys, one last thing you're going to want to do. Start up your car. Get the pressure back into the pedal before you go for a drive. Thanks again guys for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I also have a couple other Sienna videos. I'll put the links in the description for those.